How to generate illustrations for print-on-demand products using Illustrate AI. Hello guys, this is Atticus, and in today's quick video, I'm going to be showing you how you can generate illustrations for print-on-demand products. So let's dive right in. So first of all, head over to Illustrate AI. You can simply search for Design Bundles Illustrate AI, and you'll find the website right here. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, it will take you to Design Bundles website. And after you're here, simply tap on Create with Illustrate AI. After you tap on it, it will redirect you to Illustrate AI's workspace, where you can simply give it a text prompt. So all you have to do is give it a text prompt for your design that you want. So I'll just write here. After you give it a text prompt, you can then scroll and find the art style option. Tap on it. Then you can choose whichever art style that you like. So let's say that I want a pixel art. So if I choose pixel art, I can then head over and choose an image count. So you can choose multiple options here so that you can get options to choose from. Then you can also select the size. So if you want it on square, you can select square or landscape or portrait. I'll just let it at square, then tap on create. Then it will start creating an illustration based on the prompt that you feed. After it finishes creating, you can then find the design that you like. And if you want, you can download it right here. But let's head over and tap on the edit option to make it commercial ready. Tap on edit. After you tap on edit, choose a workspace here. I'll head with pixel mode. After you choose a mode, it will take you to Craft Designer, where you can further edit your illustrations. So for commercial ready product, what you can do is remove the background from the image. Tap on remove BG from here and then tap on remove. After you remove the background, you can also do other edit stuff here, such as magic extend to extend the backgrounds and stuff, and magic fill as well. After that, you can download the image and then use it for your commercial use. So tap on save and download, choose height and stuff. We can also create a title. Then make sure that you have downloaded it on the highest possible resolution. Then tap on download. Then the image should start downloading. And after that, you're basically good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye.